How to make highlights on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's make highlights on Instagram. Launch Instagram app. Log into your account. Proceed by tapping your story at top left. Now add any photo or video or you can capture tapping on camera icon at top left. Then you can easily edit this photo which you want to add on your story by adding stickers, music, filters, and many more. Afterwards, select the Your Story icon at top left and wait until it's been uploaded to your story. Once uploaded, choose Your Story at top left and then select Highlight at bottom right. You can add to existing highlight or create one, selecting New icon. You can type in the name for this new highlight and tap on Add button. Once added, you can easily view it on your profile. Navigate to profile icon at bottom right. Now when you swipe, you can easily find out on your profile. So that's how you can easily make or create highlights on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.